If you're drowning in affiliate program spreadsheets, juggling CSV files from ShareASale, CJ, and Amazon Associates, while your design team begs for real time metrics, this is your lifeline. The Building Affiliate Program Tracker skill automates cross platform data aggregation using REST APIs and OAuth 2.0 authentication, creates customizable dashboards with D3.js visualizations, tracks ROI through commission analytics algorithms, and integrates natively with Rakuten, Impact, and Reversion. Whether you're a UI UX designer building campaign interfaces, a front end dev optimizing tracking pixels, or a growth hacker analyzing CPA metrics, we've automated the boring parts. Now, if only it could do your laundry too. Here's what's inside the Building Affiliate Program Tracker skill. First, automated data consolidation pipelines that pull JSON payloads from 15 plus affiliate networks. Second, a React-based dashboard with drill-down funnel visualizations. Third, commission fraud detection algorithms that flag abnormal traffic patterns. Fourth, CSV export templates compliant with GA4 and Adobe Analytics schemas. Fifth, webhook triggers for real-time alerts in Slack or Teams. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your affiliate data chaos just got a whole lot quieter. Installing the Building Affiliate Program Tracker skill takes one command: npx quanta skills add building affiliate program tracker. That's it. This downloads the complete skill: expert level guidance on API endpoint configuration, pre-built React components for dashboard creation, and SQL queries for commission analytics. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to debug OAuth tokens, optimize API rate limits, and structure multi-network reports. No PhD in spreadsheetology required. Welcome to Automated Affiliate Enlightenment.